Are you an avid reader? Do you want to share the books you love with everyone on Facebook? Well, you're in luck. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily share the books you like with everyone on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Simply launch the Facebook app or visit the website on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile photo located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Click on your name to access your profile page. Step 4. Now, navigate to the check-ins section. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the Books category and click on the 3 dots icon next to it. Step 6. Click on Edit Privacy to customize your settings. Step 7. Next to Like, click on the button. Step 8. Select Public to ensure that everyone can see the books you like. Step 9. Don't forget to click on Save to apply your changes. Step 10. Finally, click on Close to exit the settings menu. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share the books you like with everyone on Facebook using your PC. Now, your friends and followers can discover and enjoy your favorite reads too. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy sharing!